The excitement surrounding the upcoming Galaxy S25 series is at an all-time high, and with just weeks remaining until its grand reveal on January 22, 2025, fans are buzzing with anticipation. Samsung's Unpacked event promises to introduce groundbreaking technology and sleek new designs, and the latest leaks have only fueled this excitement. New renders have given us a sneak peek at the Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, and S25 Ultra, all of which sport stunning new color options and impressive design updates. These devices are set to redefine the smartphone landscape, but what exactly can we expect from Samsung's next big release? Let's dive in. First, let's talk about the design. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is departing from the boxy, angular look of its predecessor, embracing a more refined, slightly curved aesthetic. However, it maintains sharp, flat sides that contribute to a slimmer profile and thinner bezels, addressing some of the design criticisms of the S24 Ultra. This change could make the device feel sleeker and more premium in hand, allowing for a truly immersive display experience. Meanwhile, the S25 and S25 Plus will feature the same curved design but retain the overall form factor from earlier iterations. But the real showstopper is the stunning color options. The Galaxy S25 is rumored to come in a fresh icy blue variant, offering a cool premium tone that sets it apart from other devices on the market. The S25 Ultra will feature a titanium silver blue that exudes sophistication with its subtle yet rich hue. These new shades are expected to be a hit, bringing a touch of elegance to the lineup while also appealing to a wide range of users. What about the cameras? Samsung continues to push the envelope with camera technology, and the S25 series is no exception. The S25 Ultra will pack an upgraded camera array with a massive 200MP primary sensor that promises jaw-dropping detail and clarity. Alongside it, you'll find a new 50MP ultra-wide sensor and dual-zoom sensors designed for extreme close-ups and telephoto shots. The overall camera performance is set to be top-notch, making the Galaxy S25 Ultra a serious contender for the title the best smartphone camera ever. The S25 and S25 Plus will likely feature similar, though slightly less advanced, camera setups, ensuring that even the more affordable models in the series offer incredible photography capabilities. But it's not just the design and cameras that are making waves. Samsung is doubling down on its AI technology, with the Galaxy S25 series expected to feature advanced Galaxy AI capabilities. These features are poised to surpass even Apple's AI offerings, making the S25 series one of the smartest smartphones on the market. While specific details remain under wraps, leaker Ice Universe has teased that the S25's AI will be integrated deeply with One UI 7, offering a more intuitive, personalized user experience. The S25 could introduce cutting-edge AI advancements that enhance everything from performance to camera optimization, making the device smarter with every use. And if that wasn't enough, there's also talk of a life-saving car crash detection sensor, which would alert emergency services in case of an accident. This feature, previously seen on the Google Pixel, would be a major step forward for Samsung, demonstrating its commitment to user safety and well-being. One of the most exciting rumors surrounding the Galaxy S25 series is the introduction of the Key 2 wireless charging standard, marking a significant upgrade from previous wireless charging technologies. For the first time, Samsung's flagship models will support magnetic charging, with a new magnetic alignment ring designed for compatibility with MagSafe accessories. This means faster, more efficient charging and the added convenience of using magnetic accessories like car mounts and chargers. However, it's important to note that this feature will likely be enabled through compatible cases. Some users will need to invest in a specially designed case to fully unlock the potential of Key 2 charging. In terms of performance, the Galaxy S25 series is expected to be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, offering blazing fast speeds and unrivaled efficiency. Paired with micro-memory chips, these devices will deliver an even smoother, more responsive user experience. Whether you're gaming, multitasking, or using resource-heavy apps, the Galaxy S25 is built to handle it all with ease. The combination of the Snapdragon 8 Elite and the new memory technology should make the S25 series one of the most powerful smartphones ever released. Samsung is also offering some enticing incentives for those looking to reserve their Galaxy S25. By simply registering for early access, you can lock in a $50 credit, potentially save up to $1,250 on your purchase, and even have a chance to win a $5,000 gift card. With these incredible offers, upgrading to the latest Galaxy flagship has never been more affordable. But that's not all. Samsung is also rumored to be unveiling the next-gen Galaxy Ring and showcasing its latest Galaxy XR headset during the Unpacked event, making this one of the most feature-packed launches in recent memory. As we approach the big reveal on January 22, 2025, the excitement continues to build. The Galaxy S25 series is shaping up to be a game changer with stunning designs, powerful AI features, revolutionary camera technology, and impressive performance upgrades. If you're thinking about upgrading, now is the perfect time to get in on the action with Samsung's early reservation offers. And with so many surprises in store, this Unpacked event is sure to be one for the history books. So, what are your thoughts on the Galaxy S25 series? Are you excited about the new design, the AI advancements, or the camera upgrades? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button to stay updated on all the latest tech news and leaks. I can't wait to see what Samsung has in store for us. Until next time, peace out.